man, I'm about to jump right in. Slot wide receiver, can't play tight end. Anti-social, don't have many friends. Can't even trip cause it is what it is, and it ain't what it can't be. My interview pictures like say cheese. Haters say I'm broke, I can't be. Yeah, I done fucked up a lot, but I fuck up just like everybody. I'm so grinding to get out these projects. Running through life like it's timeless. Got golden rings like I'm Sonic. I'm sick with this shit like the Pegasus bubonic. I did it for me, not the ones that had doubted me. They ain't give me respect, now they honor me. They used to be up on top, now they been under me. So much shit I go through, I barely sleep. My heart and mind been fighting each other, acting like they ain't brothers. Getting up green like it's cottage cheese. I'm add some flavor to collard greens. Preachers you speak, but a few mad I came up say they won't acknowledge me. I did so much, I'm bored with it, tryna get more in it. She gon' let me slide up in the mouth just like a gauze in it. Bag on my back, Santa Claus with it. I can't fuck with fraud niggas, type to act bizarre until you put a card. I did it again, I done did it before. If you was chasing the money, you probably would make you some more. You want the fame instead of it. Step back just like Doncic, but I been shooting like Pekovic. Baby girl corner, she kettle chips. I'm still saying shit that I'll never get. Forever I'm running in circles. This shit about good as it get, or good as it ever get. They say King Joe, boy, you been elegant. Getting some medicine, they gonna need a more remedy. No, I don't need me no dope. I'm about to kick through the doors. I want a mink fur coat. Getting Del Rios like I'm Alberto. I got a ring, snap fingers, no Frodo. Get tricked out the pill, so we pop them. Out of breeze, blowing face, smoking on tropics. Good gas, baby, I be smoking on chronic. Shit been rough, but boy, I'm a diamond. KingJo a different breed. I'm getting up different cheese. I'm cleaning these pirate glasses with some Mr. Clean. Can you dig it like I'm Mr. T? I need a bigger biscuit or a bigger piece. Whatever, whichever come first. Tryna come from the jets to the burbs. Wolfpack, baby, I ain't one of the birds. Clashing the Titans like Michael and Bird. I wanted them bills since 14 like Diggs. I'm still getting high and fly at the crib. You broke, still lying to your hoe like you're rich. Captain pathetic, you pathetic. Probably gonna be pathetic, it's pathetic gig. Probably gonna search the inches up on Reddit, tryna get some credit for that little bitch. Your situation dead it, and leave that shit dead like that nigga Mans. Hurtin', I know how it is. Feeling myself like the Miz.